are you guys today? I am hoping that you are well. Today I am doing a festival makeup tutorial face thing. I'm doing a festival makeup look with MUA. They're kindly sponsored this video and I'm going to show you quite a few of their products. I haven't decided which one's going to use yet. We're going to decide as we go, but this is a finished makeup look. So yeah. All of these products are available on the Superdrug website, and I will put links down below to everything if you're interested. So yeah, I really hope that you enjoy this tutorial, and at the end I will do the finished look, the full like everything I'm gonna wear and all of that. We should probably get on with the tutorial, which I'm going to start in 3, 2, 1. You will see me looking like an egg. No. Okay, so first I'm going to use the Pro Base Primer Spray, which is this. I'm gonna spray this on my face. Oh. Yes, excellent. I'm gonna rub it in. I'm not sure if you're supposed to rub in primer spray, but I do. So that's what we're doing. And the spray on. It smells like bananas. So next we are gonna use these two Pro Base Full Coverage Concealers. This one is kind of like a white colour, and then this one is like more kind of my skin tone, but together they're perfect. Must conceal my face to make it look like a better face. Especially when you're at a festival, I mean, yeah. Okay, so now I'm using the lighter concealer just to add a little bit of something. I don't know what, but yeah. There we go. Oh wait, no, gotta highlight that. Wow, I feel like this is a lot. This is a good look. You should just go like this. I would really recommend this look. And now we have to blend it. Blend it. I like this concealer. It's actually really good. And it's quite like mattifying, which is nice, because I like to be matte, not dewy, because my skin's quite oily. So like when I put anything dewy on, it just ends up looking even more oily. Yes, this is good. I enjoy. Do you approve? I approve. I might put a tiny little bit more on, just where my spots are. Just realised I'm not using any foundation. It's fine. Sometimes I feel like you don't even need foundation. Especially when the concealer is just so good. Oh my god, I need to stop singing Christmas songs. It's June and it's one of the hottest days of the year. There we go. Perfect. So next we're going to move on to contouring, and I am going to use the MUA Bronzed Matte Bronzing Powder. Ta-da! I put too much on. You know when you think you put too much on and then you're like, actually it's fine. Hey, that is good. Go me. Oh yeah. Put some here as well. And gotta do my nose a little bit. Oh god. What have I done? It's fine, just blend it. And also, don't forget to contour the jawline. I actually have no idea if I ever do this right, but we're going with it anyway. Okay, so yes. Now we've done that, we should do eyebrows. So for eyebrows, I have got, I'm not going to use everything. This is like a festival kit from MUA, and it has like lots of shiny things. One of the things that I am going to use is this brush, which is like a double-ended brush. And one side's like curved and one side's like this kind of, I don't know if you can see that. Can you see that? I love using these kind of brushes for eyebrows. So I'm going to put my eyebrows on, and I think I might use, maybe I could use one of the bronzers for my eyebrows. That's way too dark. I'm sorry, eyebrows, for what I've done to you. Please forgive me. I do really like this brush. It's like precision eyebrow. You know what you could do? I have this other palette. I'll show you what I'm on about. I feel like my eyebrows are really dark. But is this not just the best brush, guys? Like, I think that it is. Oh wow. This is some dramatic eyebrows. What have I done? It's fine. I like the brush. I'm not sure about this eyebrow colour. It's a bit dark. I look like I'm like, oh well, it's fine. I was going to explain this thing. I've got this palette, which is the 15 shade palette, Colour Burst. Yeah, imagine if you did your eyebrows in one of these colours. I don't know why I didn't do that. Next, I think we should do eyeshadow. And I think I'm going to go with pink, because I mean, go with these two pinks. Maybe a little bit of the red. I feel like I'm holding this really weird. We're going to go with this pink, because why not? Ooh. I love pink eyeshadow. Like, what have I been doing for the past few years with this whole not wearing pink eyeshadow? Like, I've really been missing out. I feel like we've all been missing out. This is good eyeshadow. This is very pigmented. I like it. But I mean, look, pink. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this other pink here. Just see how this goes. Oh, this one looks even more pigmented. Well, oh it is, oh yes. Do I put some of the red on? Shall we? Shall we try it? Let's try it. Let's just put a tiny bit. Ooh, yes, definitely only a tiny bit. I love reddy pinks. Reddy pinks are the best kind of pinks. I've also got it on my nose again. So that's good. Well done me. I'm doing the best. Maybe I should highlight next. There's another product out of this festival kit, which is this. It's like a green highlighter. It looks so good when it's on. Get a little brush and just put it on our cheekbones. It's like the perfect colour for a festival as well. And now we are going to put on some shadow liner in Black Noir. Also, I like this eyeliner because it's got a blending thing at the end. I do love a good blending thing. Hey, let's get all up close and personal, guys. You guys are just like, ew, stop that. I started wearing eyeliner recently. I don't know why. I feel like I just want to be Avril Lavigne again. Completely reverted back to being 12 or something like that, or 10. Don't know. How old were you guys when you were obsessed with Avril Lavigne? Because let's be honest, everyone's been through that obsession. I'm going to use the Amplify Statement Lash Mascara. Very nice indeed. Oh yes, hello. Oh, I've got it. Oh no, there's a wasp in here. No, get out! Oh, it really is like being in a festival. A wasp stuck in your tent. So let's put on lots of mascara. Look how good that brush is as well. That's a good brush. Very separating for the lashes. For the lashes. Does anyone else just go really quiet when they put on a mascara? Because I do. You have to concentrate. Finally, I'm going to use a product out of here again. It is the Matte Liquid Lipstick and Holographic Lip Gloss Kit. You get this Prism base coat, but then this one, look at this. Oh my god, how amazing is that? I'm very excited to put this on my face. Gonna go in with this one. Just such a pretty lip gloss. Oh yes. Hello. There is a fly in here. Go away. I'm trying to film. I'm trying to put the prettiest lip gloss in the world on my lips. Oh, it's so pretty. I wonder what this would look like just on bare lips. It would look really nice. So pretty. And now I'm gonna go curl my hair and then I'm gonna get dressed and I'm gonna show you my festival outfit with my festival face. That is the finished look. I will put all the links and the prices to any products down below in the description so that if you would like to check any of them out, they are there for your perusing. I will be back soon with more videos because I haven't been doing that recently. And yeah, hope you enjoy the outfit as well.